we're going to learn, it's actually going to be a little bit of review today, but it's always good to review to practice your skills since it's been a long time since I've seen you and I can miss you guys. So let's review. Come through now, hurry, tapping the beat while you sing. Don't forget to sing with me and tap the beat. 1 and 2 and here we go. Come through now, hurry. Come through now, hurry. Come through now, hurry. Alabama gal. Just that much with the rhythm syllables. Just tapping the rhythms with the words. Ready, go. Come through now, hurry. Come through now, hurry. Come through now, hurry. Alabama gal. Last week, the puppets and you also told me that it was short, long, short, ta, ta, short, long, short, ta, ta, short, long, short, ta, 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 dee, ta. And that short, long was short, long, short was 3 sounds uneven across the first 2 beats. So when we have that, we say ta, dee, dee, ta, ta. It's called syncopation. Let me write it up here. Okay, syncopation. That means it feels a little bit offbeat, okay? So we've got, come through, ta-dee-dee-ta-ta, 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 ta-dee-ta-dee-ta. Just like that. Let me write it up on the board for you so you see what it looks like. The first one, the first sound is short. When we have a half of a beat of sound, it's an 8th note. Okay, and then ta-dee, the second sound starts on the first beat, but it goes through until the second beat. So it's a ta, because it takes up half of this beat and half of the next beat. And then our other little short sound is D. Ta-dee-dee, ta-ta. And it repeats. Ta-dee, dee-ta. Ta. Don't you love patterns? Oh, so nice. Ta, oops. Dee, dee. Ta, ta. Ta, dee. Ta, dee. Ta. I think that's a half note. I think it's one long sound over 2 beats. So now we can point and sing with the rhythm syllables. Here we go. Ta-dee-dee-ta-ta, 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 ta-dee-ta-dee-ta. Just like that. Now here's another song that you might recognize. Do you recognize it? This is just the first part of it. Ta-ta-ta-ta, ta-dee-dee-ta-dee-ta. What song is it? Bull snake, you're right. Ready? Ta-ta-ta-ta. Ta-dee-dee-ta-dee-ta. Here's another one. Okay, let's see if you recognize this song. It's just the first half of the song, because that's all I can fit on the board. I don't have much more room to fit the rest of it. But let's see if we can get it. Now we have this pickup right into this syncopation. Okay, so let's see. Esumbuko aya kadukadi, esumbuko aya kadukadi. And that song has syncopation everywhere. So let's sing it while we sing the rhythm solos. Here we go. Dee ta dee dee ta 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 dee dee ta dee ta dee dee ta 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 dee dee ta. Awesome.